I'm passionate about screen printing because it's a physical outlet for me. I can output something and I have manually done it. I have total control. I've been able to develop things that may not be able to be developed automatically or by a machine. Being at FESPA has inspired me in the industry. In Australia it's quite small, screen printing, and to see how Europe puts it together and can show it off, it makes me proud to be in the industry. I'm in a great industry with a lot of opportunities. I can work in lots of different areas. If I don't like manual labour, I can work in sales, I can work in marketing, I can work in management. I have a lot of opportunities. The scholarship that I took part in is called the Glenn Carra Memorial Scholarship. And Glenn Carra was a great man in the industry. He worked from the bottom up. He was a screen printer just like myself, and that's what they value. They're looking for people who start screen printing and want to work into management. And that's my kind of scholarship, the kind that wants the labour side of it to be just as important as the sales side of it. You can't be in the sales until you've learnt the industry. The scholarship has enabled me to come to FESPA to experience the European side of screen printing. I've been able to meet incredible people in the industry. Last night I was able to sit next to Michel Kaza. I spoke to him for a good half an hour about screen printing processes, the history of screen print, the history of UV ink. He really enlightened me to a lot of areas of the industry that without speaking to him I just wouldn't have known. It wouldn't have been available to me. From FESPA we'll be taking advances from the industry. The fact that screen printing isn't dying, it's just as big as it ever was, and digital printing still hasn't quite hit the garment market yet. It's hit it, but to me it's not really there. It's not quality, and we deal with a lot of designers, a lot of small clients that they want the customer service, they want advice, and that's what I offer in my business. When I go back to Australia, sharing FESPA is an important part of my journey. The big thing is what's big in Europe at the moment, because Australia follows the same trend as Europe. They're a good 5 years ahead of us, so I'm 5 years ahead of other people in Australia. I need to share that with everybody else. I feel very passionate about it, so I believe I'm a great person to talk about it and inspire other younger apprentices to not only join the industry, but feel like they're part of something. I feel like I'm part of a huge family here. It's amazing.